Hey man, thanks for tuning in, man. Electric TX, I got an Ezgo TXT electric here. 48, 36, they're all the same. I'm gonna show you how to put oil in the rear end. I just took it apart and put a new gasket on it. I made that on my first video, but I'm just gonna show people how to add oil. You can use adjustable wrench, or maybe 7/8, 15/16, one of them sizes. Adjustable wrench is fine. Just unscrew this here. Now, electric rear end only holds 12 ounces. You see, you have an O-ring which seals the rear end from leaking. I'm just gonna push it back down. There you go, back where it goes. And then we got this right here, what we use. You can see it's a 80-90 gear oil. Holds 12 ounces, no more. Any more than that, you'll blow out the seals in the rear end. So we just pump. We just pump 12 ounces in. Alright, just keep pumping 12 ounces. Or if you want to, you just pump out until it pours. You're gonna start leaking out the hole like that. You know you got your 12 ounces in there. Alright. Put the plug back in. You ain't got to He-Man it down because you got the O-ring which seals it. If you He-Man it, you'll flatten the O-ring out. So you don't have to He-Man it. Alright man, that's how you do it. How to put oil in the Ezgo electric rear end. Simple, man. Alright man, stay tuned, man. I appreciate all my subscribers, man. I appreciate everybody watching my videos, man. All my subscribers and all the questions I get makes me want to make more videos, help people out like me. Stay tuned, man. Appreciate it.